long-winded because I need to save some space for the trail. And, woo buddy! Sun is out.
I think that's the mailman. It's about time. He's late.
Packed up, so I'm gonna...
You're the mailman. Why are you dressed like that? I'm the shady mailman, and I have this package for you from Nomadik. Did you know I like hammock camping also? Oh wait, is that the little dog again? He's like a grenade. Woo buddy, I'm out of here. Okay. That is one crazy mailman. Let's go take a look at this package, see what Nomadik sent us. This is a surprise box from Nomadik. It's a monthly subscription, costs around $33 per month. If you use a promo code UPTRAIL, you get an additional 10% off.
Okay, first of all you have the UCO for your 100 headlamp.
You get a small headlamp with it, 100 lumens. Well, we'll take a closer look at it in a minute. See what else we got.
You have a Coulter Company Forager bandana with insect shield.
Okay, you get a bandana with it. Looks like there's only 3 items, so it must be about $35 worth of 3 items here.
You have a double mint Castile soap by Sierra Sage.
Okay, it looks like a camp soap. It's 2 full ounces.
It's 100% natural also. It's made with organic oils, free of petroleum, mineral oil, or parabens.
Okay, we'll start taking a closer look at these items. The headlamp, the first one. Any information on it?
Yes, it has a low, medium, and high beam on it setting.
Okay, it comes with 3 batteries. I don't think it's rechargeable.
It's designed to be close to your forehead for weight and balance. Now let's see. It contains an optical lens with independent articulation for a more precise light beam.
Oh, here's the headband for it. I was wondering where the headband was. It was wrapped around the box. It looks okay. I've never tried out their products before. And then I'll have the batteries in it. And there's 3 settings on this headlamp.
The bandana there has an insect shield treatment that repels mosquitoes, ticks, fleas, chiggers, and no-see-ums.
100% cotton. Well, if it gets wet, it might stay wet, but...
Yep, I guess your basic bandana does not offer you that, but...
Yeah, it has permethrin in it. So this will be good for... It's supposed to be good up to 70 washings.
That was my next question.
And now we'll take a closer look at this camp soap.
Right, that is 100% natural, made of organic oils, free of petroleum, mineral oil, and parabens.
The safety seal. See if it smells like.
Well, I can smell it and I don't smell it, so it's not bad.
No, it smells decent.
Sage apparently, huh?
Oh, I'm going to try a little bit. This unboxing for Nomadik was just our first impression, and we'll have to test it more out in the field later on. If you're interested, I'll have a 10% promo code down in the description box here. And once again, thanks for watching UPTRAIL 71. Does that sound better or not?
Yeah, I mean, this is a unique design. You don't just see this in a regular store.
Okay, now
Say Forger bandana on the front.
I don't know, who cares?
Next.
Okay, so, okay, no, I'm gonna do this.